one of the most easiest desserts I ever made. Hello my dear friends, it's Oksana and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today I am showing you how to make the most easiest pie ever. All you need is a ready flaky pastry pie. I'm using this brand Tender Flake. I always have them in my freezer. You can use any pie shells you want. I already pre-baked mine, so we don't waste any time. Takes about 8 minutes. The original recipe requires strawberries. I had strawberries in my fridge, but they already got bad. So I'm gonna use red sour cherry. You can use actually any berries you have. You can use raspberries, you can use red cherries, even sweet sliced peaches. You can use them in this pie. Everything will work perfectly. So what I do, I live in Canada, so red sour cherries is not really all the time available. I always have some nice cans in my house. I'm gonna drain them onto the colander and put them aside until we're ready to use them. The next couple steps is so easy, you wouldn't believe your eyes. Cream cheese, vanilla yogurt, lemon juice, sugar. By the way, if you diabetic or on low carb diet, you easily can use sugar replacements, Splendida or wherever you use. This recipe will work great with low fat yogurt, with low fat cream cheese. You can easily turn it for something not only tasty but very healthy. Okay, my friends, the only thing we do now, we take our mixer. I have an antique one. The biggest mistake I made when I built this kitchen, I didn't do the outlet in an island. So if you build in a kitchen, make sure you have outlet. And what we do now, we cream it.
A few moments later.
Ready, our cherries are nicely drained. What we do now, we take our pie shell and one by one we put our cherries around. I'm just kidding, you can take a spoon, put your cherries, make sure they drain nicely, we don't need extra liquid. Put your cherries in the pie shell. Okay, make them flat. The only thing left now is to put the cream on top of the cherries. Can you believe it? How easy was it? Make it straight with spatula. Now you can decorate it with cherries. Take nice cherries and do anything you want with this, wherever your fantasy desire. Done. Can you believe it? How easy was it? It's literally done in no time. It requires 4 hours in the fridge. But we don't need to do anything with this. We can go out and enjoy beautiful weather while our dessert is getting ready by itself. Okay, my friends, the best part of the video. Let's try it. Mmm. It's very good. Very easy, for beginners, no problem, even kids can do it. Highly recommended by me. Subscribe to my channel, press this bell, press this like, and I see you next time.